There are major benefits to having the lips composed of just two patches, one for the upper lip and one for the lower lip. This arrangement is ideal for using color sweeps, and it allows us to edit each lip individually without the other lip blocking our view when using the Piggy. If we start with something like this, where the lips are made up of too many small patches and some spanning too far out, we'll need to cut and merge the patches to achieve our ideal setup. We can merge two patches at a time by clicking the border after clicking merge, or if we want to merge multiple patches at once, simply select all the patches before clicking merge. Borders can be created using the knife tool like so. Untick continue when you only want one patch cut. Hold down Ctrl-Shift to deselect points. I like to group the lip patches so that clicking one lets me show both of the cages while hiding all others. To do this, I click one of them and then click the bunny in the grey hat. To colour the lips using ColorSweeps, click one of the lips to designate it as the click patch. Select both of them using the rectangle selection tool. Click the Color Sweep button and then click Yes to plug in a color sweep. When you want to see the other lip coloured the same as the click patch, click Copy and then click Paste. If the colours are being swept in the wrong direction, click the modelling button, click the patch that needs fixing, and then click this button until the sweep flows in the right direction. Quick recap for colouring the lips. Click to designate the click patch. Select both patches using the rectangle tool, set the colour, copy and then paste to apply the colour to the other patch. You only need to click copy once after opening the Color Sweep control panel. After that, you can continue adjusting the colours and simply click paste to update the other patch. No need to click copy each time. I think of this control ring in the lips as the ring that defines the edge where the lip region ends and the normal skin colour begins. So I aim to colour up to about this ring. If you want a clean edge to make a more striking contrast, keep the distance between these two colour points short. If you want a more subtle change, make this distance greater. Although the color sweeps have no effect over the shape of the lips, typically after adding them, I find I want to adjust the shape of the lips to suit the lip region. It can almost feel as if the colors help guide me to give the lips a more realistic shape. And after further refinement, beautiful lips for a beautiful girl. Because we cut and merge patches in the head, we'll need to reapply ownership to this region before we can animate our character again.